What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Tuesday. So today I just want to go over some of the pretty NAV stable stocks and ETFs that I have in my portfolio. Now, keep in mind I am not a financial advisor, so definitely make sure you do your own research before you invest into any stock or cryptocurrency. But today we're going to talk about some plays that I have that have been doing pretty good for me as far as total returns and ones that I think at least everyone should have in their portfolio. Like I said, this is what I'm doing, but if you guys decide to invest in any of these stocks that I go over, definitely research any of them. So right now my portfolio is at 62K, up 1,077 for the day, so a pretty good day in the market. And obviously I'm using margin in my dividend plays. So you guys, whoever has Robinhood, definitely try to be on the safe side when using margin. I'm only using $1,000 of the interest-free margin that Robinhood offers. And you guys can see I've used 889. I'm still at low risk margin status, so the dividends pay back the margin. So let's go over my weekly dividend plays. I'm liking right now, these are going to be, like I said, NAV stable stocks and ETFs that I like. Definitely YMAX would be one of them. I got 431 shares. Even though I'm down 9%, this one has been pretty stable ever since they started paying weekly dividend payments. All right. So it's only, I think the highest it ever was like around 22, maybe $20. I could be wrong. Let's see here. The 52-week high is $21. So, I mean, it's not far away from that. You know, if it goes back to that, then my total returns would just come back. My average cost is $20. And I'm only, like I said, I'm only down 9%, and it pays a weekly dividend. Nothing crazy, but, you know, it still pays weekly. YMAX is great. YMAG would be the second one, the Magnificent 7. I got 379 shares. I'm down 4%. And this one holds the top 7 from YieldMax, like Tesla, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, Meta, Apple. Those are the ones that have been doing pretty good for this fund, the Magnificent 7 fund. And I'm only down 4%. Now, IWY would be more on the volatile side. I wouldn't touch that if you're looking for NAV stable stocks or ETFs. Definitely the round hill ones, QDTE. This one has been doing pretty good. I'm up 1%, only up $3.63. The second other one would be RDTE, the round hill cover call small cap strategy ETF. I am up $1.03. I got 3 shares. And then we got XDTE, which is S&P 500 cover call strategy for round hill. I'm up $1.05. So these have been pretty NAV stable. For anyone that's interested in investing into any of these are great, and they pay weekly dividends every single month. So that's fantastic. All right, as far as my first week, I would definitely go with SPY-T. SPY-T that defines S&P 500 income target ETF. I'm up $2.73. This one basically tracks the S&P 500, and then defines also has the NASDAQ 100. I got 11 shares, and I'm up $3.78. So those are 2 defines plays that I like, and they pay every first week of the month. And then we got the popular ones like JEPI. This one obviously has been doing great, up 2%. And the other one would be JEPQ, the JP Morgan NASDAQ equity premium income ETF. I got 2 shares, and I'm up 4%. So those would be probably the top 4 plays that I would invest into if I wanted some NAV stable ETFs and I pay a monthly dividend. The other ones that I have, I'm still, building them up, so I got to see how they perform. But those will be definitely the top 4 for the first week of every month. And then the second week, I would definitely go with Main Street Capital. I got 3 shares. I'm up 6%. You can't go wrong with real estate stocks. They always tend to perform pretty well. And the great thing about Main Street Capital is that they increase their dividends I believe, every single year. So it's been looking good for Main Street Capital, and I'm liking Main Street. And then I think that's about it for second week. I got to see how the other ones perform in the next couple months. So third week, I would definitely go with Realty Income. I mean, everyone knows Realty Income has just been killing it the last couple of months. I think the last couple of weeks, it's been slowly going down, but that's the time where you try to buy more at cheaper prices. This one, I got 66 shares. I'm up 8%. And every single year, they've been increasing their dividends as well, kind of like with Main Street Capital. You can't go wrong with real estate stocks. So Realty Income would definitely be another one I would add into the portfolio. And then I would definitely go into Stag. Stag, even though I'm down 4%, my average cost is $38. It's not too far away from that. And this is an industrial real estate asset. So it's always good to diversify in your portfolio. But like I said, real estate stocks are, in my opinion, great to have in your portfolio. So Stag will be another play. So like I said, SPY T, you got QQQT, JEPI and JEPQ, Main Street Capital, Realty Income, Stag, ADC, Agree Realty will be another great one, another real estate stock. I'm up 9%. And then I would also add in SL Green Realty. This one has been doing fantastic for me. I'm up 15% in SL Green Realty, another real estate stock. So third week has a good amount of great plays. So, and like I said, all monthly dividend stocks. All right, so fourth week, this one, from what I've been seeing, I like Gain. Gladstone Investment. I'm down only 0.05%. Average cost is $13.71. So I'm not, it hasn't been dropping like crazy. It hasn't been going up like crazy. It's been pretty stable. So that's what we want. And they pay a monthly dividend. All right. And then the next one I like for fourth week of every single month is DIVO, which is the Amplify Enhanced Dividend Income ETF. I believe this one is they provide income by selecting stocks from the S&P 500 with a tactical call writing strategy. So this one has been doing great as well, up 4%. And my average cost, you guys can see, is $39.78. So I like DIVO for fourth week. And right now, it looks like the rec shares, like FEPI, have been doing pretty good. FEPI, I am up 1%. I got 3 shares. And this one has been doing pretty good ever since the overall market has been doing great. So as long as the overall market does great, FEPI will be doing good. SPYI from Niels as well, the S&P 500 high income ETF, has been doing great. I'm up 2%. I got 2 shares. And then IWMI, which is the Russell 2000 high income ETF, I got fractional shares. I'm up 2%. So we got the S&P 500, the Russell 2000, and then we're going to put QQQI, which is the NASDAQ 100 from NEO. So those are 3 plays from NEO that I like. NAV stable. They give monthly dividends. This is what you want. You want NAV stable stocks if you're interested in that, of course. Me, I like to play with a little bit more risk. But those are doing great. AIPI from RexShare as well is doing great. This is the AI Equity Premium Income ETF. I got fractional shares up 2%. So that's looking good. And for now, I think that's about it. All these other ones, I got to see how they perform. But those are the ones that have been doing great the last couple of months for me. And I just dollar cost average and buy more. All right, so those are monthly dividend stocks that have been pretty NAV stable. Definitely research more if you guys are kind of skeptical, but those have been working for me the last couple of months. And they all paid a monthly dividend. So this is what I like, and I will continue trying to increase that every single month. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will be doing a $100 giveaway once I hit 2,000 subscribers. We're currently at 1,700. So we're definitely getting there. And you can also follow me on Instagram, on Twitter. Check out the links down below. Well, Twitter, I got to put the link down. Instagram and TikTok, I meant to say. And you can also sign up for Robinhood if you want using my link, and we both get a free stock. So definitely check that out. I appreciate all you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.